This is the battle for the final heat for our third leg BRC Mindanao Wide Motocross RFN category.
Mga bata magani buwas-was na.
Leading the race is from Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte, Alio King, followed by Gaco Space. This is our 7 years old and up category. Our final leg, battle between Asher, Butch, Alio.
Hindi kaindagan si Muscato Mura Isbay.
Ito po ang mga kids all over Mindanao na nipalit o gato ang #1 electric dirt bike in the Philippines, RFN. We have our branches here at Valencia, Malaybalay, General Santos, Davao City, Tagum City, and soon to open in Cagayan. Still leading, Cactus, followed by Leo, and Kai Adam.
Go, Leo!
Good recovery, Kuya Butch. We have also Dimol, Gary, Juju, Sophia, Asher. Wala dyan tingog ang RFN, ladies and gentlemen. Ay tungod, electric dirt bike ni siya. If you want your kids to start motocross, we have bikes for 3 years old up to 10 years old. Mao na ato ang RFN 7 below and 7 and up na category today na nidula sa BRC Mindanao Wide Motocross. We also have bikes for 50cc category and 65cc category. This is all brought to us by Jupiter E-Mobility, powered by Gary Glenda Houston. Final heat na po tayo. First heat pa pala, sorry, ng RFN 7 and up. Still leading, Caco Space for the last lap. Kai Adam. And now, the checkered flag is up for Caco Space, followed by Alio.
The victory award, si Joby Saulog ang kauna-unahang nanalo ng Pro Veterans dito sa Tubon, Lanao. Pro pala pro. Way back 2009, Joby, is that correct? Alright. Okay, history na yun. Siya ka na nanalo ng Pro category. Joby Saulog, 2009. Grabe, 17 years back. 17 years back. Okay, dito, hanggang ngayon, matikas pa rin. Lalo na pag may katabi. Pag may katabi. Pag gabi may katabi. Friday na katabi.
Battle between Marcos and Butch. We have Ernie, Asher, Trixie, Sheena, Juju, Troy, Sophia. This is the final heat for the Garden County, Lanao del Norte. Still leading the race is Leo Killian Ramirez, followed by Kai Adam and Caco Space. Fourth spot we have here, Butch Penserga. Juju, Troy. Sophia, battling for the 6 spots. At the strongest lead, last lap 4, ang Leo. Leo Kin, breakaway. Second spot is Kai Kai Adam, followed by Kako Space, Bunch Benserga. Here we go! That's our first to finish. A Leo Kin